thinking about the new beautiful blacks on the loop promotion on the outside cover and on the inside. There are two secrets. The secrets are an extra bump black ink, and the other secret is a dull coating, either varnish or aqueous. And let me show you how we got to that point. What happened our very first try at this was actually the door smidge piece. Beautiful, beautiful images, and we knew we needed to have an extra beautiful black in the background. How were we going to do it and also make each black consistent throughout? This was our first try. So we actually had a 4-color process image. We asked the printer to take down the cyan, magenta, and yellow that was extra in that black background, called under color removal, and we came back and hit it with another black. This was all done by the printer, not the designer, and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and this is on superfine. It worked. So then it was time for a beautiful Strathmore piece, and we thought about it again. We thought, how are we going to do this? Again, we want to have beautiful, rich blacks on Strathmore, and so we went back to the same idea. We also had the extra colors taken out of the black here and hit it with another black. So it's actually a 4-color process and a bump black, or a black touch plate. So it worked on Strathmore. Then the last one, another test we had, was on the Adidas piece, which was on options. And these were even more demanding. So we had these big solid black panels throughout. So we knew we even had to go probably further with this one, and we learned another secret. Mohawk, we always recommend dull varnish or dull aqueous on all our papers, on all our uncoated text and covers. Side benefit of that is it richens your black. And for the ultimate, the absolute ultimate, which is also what we did on loop, was you do inline and offline dull. And this piece by far stands out as some of the richest blacks. So bringing us back to loop. So again, on the inside, on some of the images here, we put an extra bump black in the 4-color process. You'll see this throughout. And then on the outside cover, front and back, we actually did a 4-color process with an extra black, and then inline and offline overall to aqueous. And that's how it worked. If you could take a close-up look at this image, this is another one where we're holding great detail up here in the 4-color process image, but we also have a second bump black in these areas, and even still you can see her leg and everything down in the shadows. So it worked, even on this high post-consumer waste content sheet.